guys, it's Nakai with Houseofmeis, and today I decided to like do something a little, I don't know, I think maybe I've done this once or twice, but I'm gonna be working on moving first off Jaelynn's old stuff, the stuff in her room, into her new room, also decluttering it. I'm gonna show you that stuff in a little bit. It's horrible in there. So I wanted to kind of show you guys. I basically have 45 minutes. Yes, I have 45 minutes until she is out of school, and then about another, I would say 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes until she gets home from the school bus. I don't know why it takes so long considering she's one of the first stops, but whatever. So I'm basically gonna go in there, and I'm gonna take you guys in there and try to just sort through stuff and bring it in here, as well as declutter stuff. We're not bringing all of her toys in here yet because we haven't gotten the bins that we want to get from IKEA. And plus, I will show you this. All of the stuff that was in this room is on this side of her closet. So we do have her actual closet is all the way put together. I just posted a video today of this organization system, but this is all the stuff that was in here. And this stuff is going to be moved into their stuff. Like, some of the stuff is going to be trash and stuff, but like some of the stuff is going to be moved into there until we get storage situated for this stuff. But I basically have to like move this stuff in there, move the other stuff in here to make it work. So that is the plan. So I'm going to show you basically, so we moved her bed in here. This was like the first day that we did that. We brought her dresser in here. This is going to be actually changed. Her bed is going to be scooched over to probably the middle of this wall. I'll kind of back up so you guys can see. I'm using my vlogging camera, so it's probably not the best, but you'll get the drift. So basically, there we go. Maybe I'll lighten up a little bit. We're going to move her bed over into the middle, and then her new dresser is going to go right here. And then that's going to be moved as well because she's getting a new one. And Michael's going to be building like a nightstand that swoops around the corner and turns into a like stuffed animal storage, which is what that is right now. So we move that in here. As you can see, we have our TV up. I painted the bottoms of this used to be green and yellow or something like that, and I painted them just a rough thing of white. We are gonna like sand down and get it really good and probably redo it, but for right now this is perfect. And I put all of her books, and there's a couple more in there which will go down there, but for right now this is plenty. So I got that done. We moved her dollhouse from the living room into here. This isn't permanent. It's going to go in there eventually, but once again we just don't have room. We removed Rhilynn in here because she wanted Rhilynn in here, and she's doing good. Hi Rhilynn. She's like, are you here to feed me? If not, keep it moving. So there's that. I also got this basket from Target. It's going to be her waste basket, I do believe. And she just has a couple of stuffed animals in here that she was playing with. I basically told her that I didn't want all of her toys brought in here, but she can definitely either play in her old room or bring toys in here. She just can't like gather them up and bring them in here. So yeah, she's been slowly bringing stuff in here too. So ignore this area. It's all bad because we're still working, but here is her room right now, or her old room. So turn the fan on. It's kind of hot in here. For some reason, this room is hotter than the other one, which, I mean, it's good, but yeah. So we brought the hanging rack in here, which I'm going to be selling. We're hoping to have a garage sale probably next year. I don't know if we're going to make it this year, but I just don't need it anymore. I was using it in my makeup room at the old house, but I don't need it right now. So as you can see, there's like random stuff, a bunch of books. I need to sort through her books. I'm going to be either donating the ones that she doesn't use anymore or tossing some like this. Although she does use it from time to time, I mean, the entire guts of the book is completely out. So I'm just going to toss it. Some of these can go in here. This is like a brand new book that I just took off. One of her favorites. This one, I want to start keeping like holiday books with the holiday stuff and bring them out. So they're kind of special. And she got this for Christmas from her school, I believe. Yes. So I want to separate that. But yeah, all the toys are kind of over there. Bins and stuff. Like some of the bigger toys, like the Doc McStuffins, van or whatever will go in there, because I'm thinking I'm going to do is clear out this corner, because all this back area is pretty much like clear because her bed and furniture were here, so it wasn't cluttered with all of this mess. And start bringing stuff in here, and then bring some of the bigger toys in there. So that's my plan for right now. I'm not going to do a fast forward thing because it's just too much work and I want to actually get to the actual cleaning part. But yeah, so I'm going to clean up this part and then start moving the stuff that's in there in here. And as I'm going along, I'll check and see if we're actually going to keep it. And if we aren't, I'm going to toss it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so it is 3:30, I believe. I just want to show you guys the progress. As you can see, all of this, I'm kind of tired because it's hot up here and I don't feel like going downstairs to turn the air cooler. So I got all of this put away, and I basically thought this was a good point to check in because I have a full bag of trash, and this is trash too. So all the stuff is gone. This is basically my second pile of books that we are keeping that need to go in her room. And then this is like a thing of like small things that I find that I know she wants to keep and she does use them. I put them in here, as well as like sentimental stuff. She has her little, what is this called? Medal from soccer that she played. Her watch is in there, as well as her headphones. Her little, excuse me, hand sanitizer. Excuse me. Oh, I don't know where that came from. Hand sanitizer things, her wallflower, all things that I'm just going to take in her room and put them away. And then I started working over here. I'm not really going to like go through toys, but I kind of am. Like at the same time, it's hard to do. I'm just kind of doing what feels right. So, but I got a lot done, as you can see. I haven't moved anything inside yet because I'm really like in the zone right now. So I'm actually going to take this stuff downstairs and put it by the garage, and then grab another bag and start working again on this. It's kind of getting into toys and stuff, so I'm like having to really think and sit down and go through stuff. But I got rid of a lot of the paper. I have a little collection of, what's it called, cups and snack bowls over there. But yeah, I mean, it's looking really good, a lot better than before, obviously. And I'm hoping now, my goal has kind of changed to not moving that stuff in here, but to maybe, if possible, get this stuff organized and done. I'm going to take this stuff downstairs, like I said, and I think actually maybe I'll work on the closet. There's a bunch of dirty clothes. I've been throwing them in there too. There was some over here that I've been throwing away, or throwing over here. So I'm probably going to do the closet just so I can kind of work my way from, the furthest back on up. And yeah, go from there. This carpet is obviously going to get a huge deep cleaning. We're not planning on replacing the carpet up here until the girls are older. So, I mean, it is what it is. We'll buy a big rug and call it a day. Okay guys, final update for today. I'm going to be working on it some more tomorrow, but I have another bag of full trash, as well as the stuff that's going to go in the trash. She uses these a lot, but I'm just going to buy her another set. They're pretty cheap and inexpensive from Walmart, so that's not a big deal. They're little puzzle pieces. These have princesses on there, but there's other characters, so I'm going to toss them because they're just old. Got this cleaned out. I have her soccer ball in there still, her old piggy bank. She got an Olaf one, which I need to just transfer all of her money. Out of breath again, sorry. So there's that, and then I'm going to be keeping these. I'm going to sanitize them and keep them for Rhilynn, so that's why I'm kind of collecting them as I go through all of the toys in there. Oh, there's my timer letting me know. All of the dirty clothes, most of them are hers, a couple of Rylynn's, and then some of her baby clothes. Let me shut that off. I went deeper into this. I had another stack of books. I will show you guys in a little bit. I found some more holiday stuff, and it's looking good over here. Like I said, I'm just kind of weeding through slowly but surely, having to figure out where everything is and what it is and all that stuff. But I am done for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'm working on it while she's at school. I think I did good progress. Oh, I did collect some more cups. So that is it for today, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow.